Beyonce should have never been a fiance to Jay-Z. Right now he got her going crazy, while her salvation has been going down the drain. She's singing, say my name, say my name. This is just a story about one person, but it applies to many. Those who are empty vessels full of tempting little secrets that cause them to remain lukewarm. Lukewarm them back in the days when they couldn't stop and get it. The true mark, they never hit it. They just get spit it right out of the mouth of Alpha and Omega. In better definition than PS3 or Sega, Xbox or the Wii, as we lay down our destiny for a temporary condition. No greater position is there than to be in the master's arms, protected by a hedge from harm. Yet many dabble into the psychic yoga and other forbidden realms, taking the helm of their own ship. They slip, trip, and fall down, but they never get up. They rather cut out the middleman, rather that man in the middle, making intercession for you and I with more than a riddle, or mental ascension into a third eye dimension that never reveals anything but the dirty things within their hearts. They've been lukewarm from the start because you can never start with God and go back without a part that never left the dark. It's been too long for you to go in reverse, putting your hands to the plow yet looking back as if to curse the life you should now live, but having no more to give to the cause of kingdom building. You rather have your cake and the icing, not realizing that 99% of what you seek could be gone in a heartbeat. Because there's no saving you once you die. You could try, but I bet my life on it, but still I'd cry. For the loss of one soul is greater than the gain of one saved. That means one more dead, one bound to the grave, just an eternal slave to the life they chose to live while here. Having not the spiritual ears to hear what the Spirit is saying, stop going back to the vomit. Rather make up your mind that you won't forfeit your seat next to the Father as you sit in the throne of the Son. Why do so many believers now like fugitives run? As if chased with a gun, they run away in fear. Now is the time for you lukewarm Christians to draw near. God will not deal with you. He'd rather spew you out of his mouth with no chance for recovery. Back to that place where we live called discovery, when words replace food, becoming food to our soul, as we partake of life-filled words that make us whole. If you're lukewarm, it's not too late to change. The change starts with you, as you delete everything that's strange, turning over every stone that has hidden your ark, going down into the middle of your heart. The words will then be able to come forth 30, 60, and 100. So you will have given me drink when I thirsted, or food when I hungered. You're either in or out, cold or hot. You can't be lukewarm if you want to reach the spot. The prize of the high calling is to be like him. Christ manifested to destroy the works of fleshly sin. So make that change today, or be left outside the gates of one pearl, standing tall in one place. Lukewarm you may be, but in time that will fade. Come back into the fold, lukewarm believer, today.
Truth hitting you steadily.